Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create files in Google Drive. Creating files directly inside Google Drive is very simple. And the best part is everything you create gets saved automatically in your cloud storage. Let's begin. First, open your browser on your computer and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Once you're inside your Drive, look at the left side of your screen and click on the plus new button. This is where you create files. Now, from the list that appears, you can choose the type of file you want to create. For example, if you want to make a document, click on Google Docs. If you want to create a spreadsheet, click on Google Sheets. And if you want to make a presentation, click on Google Slides. Google Drive gives you these different app types so you can create different kinds of files depending on what you need. Let's say you click on Google Docs. A new tab will open with a blank document. You can start typing immediately. At the top left, change the document title from Untitled Document to any name you want. The best part is, you don't need to save manually. Google Docs saves your work automatically every few seconds. When you go back to your Drive homepage, you'll see your new file listed there automatically. You can drag it into a folder, rename it, share it, or continue editing it anytime. The same thing applies to Sheets and Slides. They also open in new tabs and save automatically. You can also create folders first to organize your files. Just click on plus new, then click folder, name it, and then create files inside that folder. That way, everything stays neat and easy to find later. So that's how to create files in Google Drive. Click plus new, pick the type of file you want, start working, and Drive saves everything for you. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Drive tutorials. See you in the next one.